Hey my friend, it's Will here over at Pips and Gains, and welcome back to another trading setup video. In today's video we're going to be looking at a possible trading scenario on the British pound Australian dollar. Going to be breaking it down, hopefully to help you become a better, more profitable, consistent trader. So let's head over to the profile, TradingView profile. So it is an idea that I just posted on TradingView. This is it here. If you aren't following me yet on TradingView, you can follow me here, the FX Ace. And this is the trading idea here. I'm looking for a buying opportunity. We're going to just break it down here and explain the actual trading setup. So let's head over to the charts. We're going to type in British pound, GBPAUD. And if you are new to my channel and you don't know how I kind of trade the markets, I take a top-down approach to trading, and that is looking for buying, selling areas in the higher time frame charts, basically areas where there's been buying and heavy buying and selling before, and then looking at the lower time frames to get into positions on like slowing of momentum and things like that. So what we're going to be looking at now is British pound Australian dollar, and we have been moving up here in this monthly trend up, and we have a sell zone up here that it does look like the market will target, and then we have support here at the closes and these highs, but this is also a monthly buy level. And the reason that's a buy level is because the market actually paused here. So we had this rally up, market paused at this resistance where we are now, and then dropped down and then rallied and broke heavily up through that resistance. So what we're kind of waiting for is a pullback to that level. And if we zoom into the weekly charts, we can see this a lot clearer. And you can see the level. We'll just delete the monthly level we drew there. And we kind of see this support here. Level here, we have this buy demand area here, whatever you want to call it, but this is an area where the market rallied, rallied from. We had the rally up here, swing high, and that swing high to this swing low, and this could actually did create a new swing high, then comes back down, creates a swing low here, and from this swing low we got this huge impulse move up, nearly hitting the 2 level. So the likelihood we're going to get a reaction, it's highly likely we'll get a reaction at this level. So it was a long-term weekly resistance, now support, and we actually have a weekly buying area where there was heavy buying before that caused the new high. So what I'm wanting to do now, if we look into the daily charts, we zoom down into that, and we're making a quick descent into this level, which is good. Usually the faster after a level is created, the faster the retracement into that level is likely to get a strong reaction. So what we're waiting for is a move down to this resistance, maybe a little bit below, into this weekly demand area. And if you read the post, just put it up there. So the resistance, now support at 191. So what I'm starting to look for is evidence of price action is slowing down on approach to the 191 area resistance towards this weekly demand area. If we look at the daily chart, kind of is a strong descent into it. If we look at the 4-hour chart, the market's starting to pause as we come into this area. So what I'm wanting to look for is that. I want to use my TRFX King indicator for buy signals on the higher time frame charts, preferably an 8-hour, 12-hour, or daily signal as the market moves down under 191. So looking for a move down here, could drop down towards 190, and waiting for preferably a daily signal in this kind of green box area. That is the entry area. Targets for this trade are, what I'm expecting if we do get a strong reaction here is we're going to get a move up to new highs, maybe. So this is the kind of path I'm looking for, a reaction and a buy signal in this green area, and then waiting for the market will likely pause a little bit here at 197, between 196 and 197, and then looking up to the higher levels here, which is the monthly supply sell zone. If we look at that, so that is the kind of area where we may be targeting, and that will be another good area for strong selling. So that is the trade setup. Very, very easy. If you want to get access to my TRFX King indicator to use for doing this setup, there will be a link in the description area of the video. And yeah, so very, very basic setup, just waiting for the move into this green box area. Could go down lower, could just break straight down through. We will see. If we get a monthly close back under this previous resistance, it could be just a false breakout for the market to move lower down. But I do suspect we will get a reaction in this green box, and at least a move up to, get a move up to 196, or between 195 and 197. So reaction, at least, there's definitely at least a 300, 400 pip profit potential on this trade. Very, very good setup, very, very basic, and it's just doing price action. So thanks for watching. If you like the videos and you want to get more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and you can access my TRFX King indicator for absolutely free in the description area of this video. So hope it helps, and shall see you on the next video.